5 a.m. I've got a kilometer walk to the trade station. It's an hour. Will get me into Nagahama or something just after 6. Then the ferry's at 8, so I got a couple hours of dawdling around to get on the ferry to Cat Island, Aoshima. The right Aoshima. I bought a bunch of snacks and provisions for the island because you can't get anything on the island. There's nothing there. They don't even have a vending machine, if you can believe it. And those are everywhere. But I'm there all day because the ferry goes over at 8 and comes back at 4. Here's my little toot-toot for the next hour. This is Nagahama. 14 bucks, $7 each way. It's about a half-hour ride. And the weather is iffy. I just looked and there's like a 60% chance of rain. Welcome to Aoshima Island. Here's the greeter. And this guy just got in a fresh fight. They're in rough shape. This guy's missing his nose. Here is the local shrine. Since it's a tiny island and I'm stuck here all day with not much to do, I'm cleaning up this little area of the beach. Well, there was this convenient bag that had washed up and I filled it up and I barely scratched the surface. There's my good deed for the day. Guess this is an old school, back when the island was inhabited. Luckily, there's only danger. I'd be worried if there was danger. This is the only trail on the island. Shows it's not very long, and obviously not very used either. Since I have 7 hours left, might as well attempt it as far as I can go. And there's these thorny bushes. I may not get very far. No one has been on this trail in a very long time. I'm definitely on a trail. I think this is taking me to the highest point on Aoshima. I've done it. I think it's a lighthouse. With absolutely no way to get up there. Not even anywhere that I can get a view, unfortunately. Alright, head back down and have something to eat, and then figure out how to kill 5 hours. It's a national park, and a soccer field. Oh, still bouncy. Oh, they're nice enough when they wash their stuff on shore that they also wash a bag up. So I've collected another bag of garbage. For some reason, out of all the rocks in the area, this one is the fan favorite of the birds. This is as nice a spot as any for lunch. Lunch done. I'll wander back and got 4 hours to kill now. Starting to rain. So this longest day ever, not ending with the best conditions. Alright, I had a few minutes to spare and sprinted and made it to the train. Success. Welcome to Matsuyama. After an hour and a bit train ride, I booked my hotel, the Terminal Hotel, right next to the train station. A few dollars more, but better than a 2-kilometer walk. And it's right across from the amusement complex. So I'll check in and then go check it out. Another standard tiny room for 45 bucks with a view of the entertainment complex. Super Kisku pad. Scammed again. Well, that was not as exciting as I had hoped. Now I still need to find something to eat. Good morning from Matsuyama. Had my buffet breakfast, which was not appealing. I don't know why everything has to be cold. The sausages are cold, the mini tater tots are cold, the bread is stale, so everything has to be thrown in the microwave or toaster oven. And then there's all the other weird stuff that I can't eat. Not really worth it to have a breakfast buffet. I might as well just try and find a coffee shop and a sandwich. Just taken off to go to the train station. Got about an hour ride to get to Imbari, I think it's called, where I'm going to look at renting a bike and bike across Setonaikai National Park, which is about 60 odd K. Apparently I can get my bag dropped off, so hopefully it all works out. I can rent the bike and then I'll spend the day biking across this beautiful looking national park. $10 and I rented my bike. It's 20 bucks to deliver the luggage, 30 bucks for the day. So I've got to get the whole 70K today. All right, here's my ride for the day. At least the seat looks somewhat comfy, because I'm gonna end up with a sore ass by the end of this for sure. And I'm off. Apparently there's a blue line for me to follow along this route. And once we get on the main road, I think it'll be pretty obvious. Very windy. And as I get on the bridges and stuff, I've got the wind going the wrong way. It's gonna be slow going. Hopefully I'm on the tailwind. So far the seat's not too bad. It's been about 10 minutes. Some guy just passed me with the seat too low and in flip-flops. Not even on an electric bike. How embarrassing.
think this is a double suspension bridge, and it's the, I believe, longest suspension bridge like this in the world, or maybe the first of its kind or something. Bridge number 2, Hakata Aoshima Sashimi something bridge. 20k in, 50k to go. My ass is definitely starting to get sore. Bridge number 3, Aoshima Bridge. Bridge number 4, the Tatar Bridge. I'm halfway, 35k to go. Nice little spot. And continue on. I booked myself a dorm room in Omichi, a 4-person dorm. There wasn't much else going. It was about $45 a night. Otherwise, it was over $100 a night. Bridge number 5, the Ikuchi Bridge, not to be mistaken with the Toys R Us version, the Ikuchi-Kuchi-Ku Bridge. Bridge number 6, the Aoshima Bridge, and we go underneath it. 10k to go. My ass is killing me. Every bump. Ugh. Okay, I have to take this little ferry. Cost $1. My hostel's somewhere up in there. So I'll swing by there, drop my bag off, then go drop the bike off, and then grab something to eat. All right, a little confusing check-in. You gotta do this pad, and I didn't get a code, but then all of a sudden my email's updated and I did get a code. So you put this code in, and then it gives you the information and the code to your room. And right now I'm in a 4-bed dorm, and there's 2 of us in there. So hopefully it stays that way. Right now I'm just gonna go return the bike. Confusing on where to take your bike back. It's like there's a big bike store, but then you have to go into some underground parking lot. Okay, quick and easy. $30 for the bike, $20 to have the bag delivered. 70+ kilometers done. Pretty bagged. My legs don't feel too bad though. My ass is slowly recovering now that I'm not seated on it. Got a couple kilometers back to my hostel, and I think the hotel where my bag is about a kilometer away, and I'm gonna look for some food around here. Alright, a little snack food, picked up my bag, and now I'm just gonna head back to the hotel and clean myself up and get organized and get to bed. We'll see you in the morning.